Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video is going to be very interesting and informative. We are going to explore the national airlines around the world, from famous country to someone may you not know. Every country has its own airline that represent it globally. Have you ever wondered which airlines belong to which country or how many national airlines you actually recognized? Well, today you will find out. In this video, I will show you the airlines from the different country. Some of them are very popular like Emirates, Qatar Airlines and British Airlines, while other might be surprise you. So stay with me till end and see how many airlines you already know. United Arab Emirates national airline is Emirates. Saudi Arab national airline is Saudia. Singapore national airline is Singapore Airlines. Thailand national airline is Thai Airways. Philippines national airline is Philippine Airlines. Bangladesh national airline is Bima Bangladesh Airlines. Nepal national airline is Nepal Airlines. Iran national airline is Iran Air. Kuwait national airline is Kuwait Airways. Bahrain national airline is Gulf Air. Morocco national airline is Royal Air Morocco. Ethiopian national airline is Ethiopian Airlines. South African national airline is South African Airways. Guyana national airline is African World Airlines. Uganda national airline is Uganda Airlines. Angola national airline is TAAG Angola Airlines. Namibia national airline is Air Namibia. Chile national airline is LATAM Chile. Mexico national airline is Aeromexico. Jamaica national airline is Caribbean Airlines. Venezuela national airline is Convicia. Uruguay national airline is Uruguay Air. Honduras national airline is CM Airline. Iceland national airline is Iceland Air. Denmark national airline is SAS Airlines. Poland national airline is LOT Polish Airline. Hungary national airline is Wizz Air. Belgium national airline is Brussels Airline. Romania national airline is PARON. Ukraine national airline is Ukraine International Airline. Myanmar national airline is Myanmar National Airlines. So that was the list of the national airlines from the different countries around the world. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn something new today. Tell me in comments how many airlines did you already know and which one is your favorite. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching and we'll be see you in the next video.